Hey everybody, this is the home of the Moscow Mechanics Robotics Club, and I'm head coach Will Boyd, and tomorrow is Giving Tuesday. And that means that we need your support. We are in our third year of competing, and we've added 2 First Lego League teams this year, and we're growing. And as you can see behind me here, it's a vibrant scene in this shop that a local STEM business owner has allowed us to use for the past 2 seasons. And we need your support for something specifically this year that I'll talk about in a minute. I'm going to have some team members share as well. We are sponsored by a nonprofit organization with a 501c3 status called the Homeschool Institute of Science. And so all of your donations are tax deductible, and you're going to get some treats. If you give us $100 for Giving Tuesday, you're going to get a team t-shirt, and you're also going to get a home or business special robotic presentation. And we'll coordinate that with you when the time comes. So please consider giving to us on this Giving Tuesday so we can purchase a second robot. That will up our game. It'll allow the team members to experiment more and have some intramural competition, and that's going to really help us improve leading up to the championship this coming February.
One reason that our team is looking to get a second robot this year is because we have 2 ideas running right now, and we want to foster both of them, but we can't run them both on the same robot. So since we want to make both work, and since they're both very strong ideas, we want to be able to build both of them, and either one could be very good. Second reason is we've been looking to expand. We want to create a second team at some point. And acquiring a second chassis to build a second robot would be a great first step in doing that. It would provide us with the necessary parts to start a second team, and it would also provide motivation.
Robots are awesome because they allow us humans to do things like focusing on the bigger picture instead of forcing us to focus on small, repetitive tasks.
It opens up opportunities for workers to go up in the workforce.
Last year, our team was very close to winning, and I have a sort of competitiveness in me, and so winning makes everyone a better worker, and so I join robotics to win and strive and make our robotics team more successful.
I really like robotics because it gives me something to do. I can program or build. Of course, I can't really program yet, but I can still learn it. I had lots of free time before, and I didn't have much to do, but now I have something to do a lot of the time. It gives me good work. I can think on it. There's lots of cool stuff to learn, and of course it's competitive, so that's really fun. And I really like being able to learn new things and meet new people.
I think robots are awesome because they're fun to build.
Robots are awesome because they help people in different shapes and sizes all around the world.